You know, staring on the exterior for so many months, I'm finally excited to be inside and see it and realize that the inside with all the individual artwork is just as beautiful, if not more. I walk a block to lunch, and in that block I see so much really visually interesting artwork and pieces and people that have great things to add. And so I'm really excited about being in here today and finally seeing the inside and meeting all the great artists inside. Yeah. But the most telling thing is the people that have built it. It's not just a building.
No matter what, we get here and we open the door. Everything else kind of just materializes on its own, you know? You don't know who's going to walk through the door. That's the best part. And I think more than anything, creatives have been walking through the door because they're searching.
We know what we do day to day with injury victims and cases and getting people from a difficult place to a resolution, but we recognize that there's so much more to Vegas, to life than just that. And so we love venturing and helping everyone, and just also we love the connections. And I'm really excited tomorrow to see everyone out and about for our first Friday.